Lemon square cookies are delightful treats that offer a burst of citrusy flavor. Here's a recipe for delicious lemon square cookies. Ingredients. For the cookie dough. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 3 2 cups all-purpose flour. 4 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the lemon filling. 1 4 large eggs. 2 1 1/2 cups granulated sugar. 3 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 4 zest of 2 lemons. 5 1/2 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, approximately 3-4 lemons. 6 powdered sugar for dusting, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides for easy removal. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened butter and granulated sugar together until light and creamy. Gradually add the flour and salt to the butter-sugar mixture, mixing until a dough forms. It will be crumbly but should hold together when pressed. Press the cookie dough evenly into the prepared baking pan to create a base. Bake the cookie crust in the preheated oven for about 15-20 minutes or until lightly golden. Remove from the oven and set aside. While the crust is baking, prepare the lemon filling. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, granulated sugar, flour, lemon zest, and freshly squeezed lemon juice until well combined and smooth. Pour the lemon filling over the baked cookie crust, spreading it evenly. Return the pan to the oven and bake for an additional 20-25 minutes or until the filling is set and the edges are lightly golden. Once done, remove the pan from the oven and allow the lemon squares to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. Once cooled, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the entire batch of lemon squares out of the pan. Place them on a cutting board and dust the top with powdered sugar, if desired. Cut the lemon squares into desired sized pieces using a sharp knife. For cleaner cuts, wipe the knife clean between cuts. Serve these delightful lemon square cookies and enjoy their tangy, citrusy flavor. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for a few days or refrigerate for longer freshness. These cookies offer a perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors and are a wonderful treat for any occasion.